Today is CPI in a couple of 5 minutes, about 5 minutes. So currently the day has expanded to the upside quite a large amount of pips on the XY, and we are currently testing this new week. I guess it's a new day opening gap, which is kind of very large. I don't have a current expectation on where the price should go next, but if I had to guess, I would consider the fact that we've run these long-term highs right there, which are essentially like the highs from the previous Thursday on the DXY. We ran them into this new day opening gap, which was created on Wednesday, 6th of May. We are in a tight range, but then personally I would consider the price to retrace back into the range on the DXY, which will provide buy opportunities on Euro USD, GBP USD, as well as long opportunities on the US indices. But the current political environment doesn't allow that. That is why I'm not favoring any one side of the range over the other before the CPI. So if it was just a retracement, I would expect it to reach the equilibrium of the range from the previous day's low to the current day's high. But price can open high also, due to the fact that we formed this candle-to closure on 7:30 and are currently expanding higher. We can sweep this 7 a.m. high like this, form a change in state of delivery and deliver towards the equilibrium of the range. We are left with 2 minutes to find out what will happen, but until there is a valid high time frame trend established, I won't force anything, specifically on the day of CPI. Then I'll be considering this high right here to be like lasting liquidity, which is essentially external liquidity, but because I don't have a template for internal liquidity, just did it however fit. I saw it fit. We are left with 1 minute to find out if the price could retrace back into the range. $8:30 is incoming in about 30 seconds. Let's see what the price will do. Okay. Why isn't it moving at all? Alright. Now the price is moving. As you can see, it's an open high. I want to see if the price will sweep this 7 a.m. high and flip back bearish. If it does so and closes bearish, I would expect buy opportunities on both Euro USD and GBP USD. But if the price just continues pumping in the DXY, then that would mean that I'm most likely offside. Then I should wait for a better opportunities after a new phase of price unfolds, either consolidation after an expansion, a reversal confirmed with a change in state of delivery, or another retracement back into the range which will have been made right here. Until one of these lows have not been taken out, but GBP USD they have been taken out. GBP USD is the weakest one. If the DXY was to pump, to dump, then Euro USD will be the better asset class to long, because GBP USD is really tend to make higher lows compared to Euro USD. So far the high has been taken out on the DXY. I guess we will wait for the candle to close, because price can easily continue pumping, just like a continuation of the trend. But the scenario so far seems to be playing out. Open high, will form a change in state of delivery or not. Change in state of delivery will be confirmed once price closes below this down close candle, flip back bearish, sweeping out all of these lows. Honestly, I couldn't have gotten any trade setups around here, even though I most likely know where the price is going. My entry model doesn't form anywhere I predicted the price to go, so I have to remain patient or get my ass handed to me. So far on the NAS 100, you can see that we are preparing for the 930, which is like the biggest volatility injection in the indices market. As you can see, I have formed this high right here and this one right here. Did a sweep a high time frame key level? Not at all, it's just retesting the consequent encroachment of this rejection block right here. Nothing too fancy. So quick question, should I go short right here? Yes, no, maybe. I'm not trusting this retracement where price can easily flip back, but considering the fact that there is still a lot of sell side pricing right here and the price didn't retest anything significant, price can just continue dumping from then on for the indices. Nine, 12, 9, 1. So the price could actually continue dumping towards this original consolidation right here, because this low right here, even though it was created at 8:30, it didn't react off of something significant. So retesting this rejection block right here, let me say gradient levels, you can see how price actually rejected off of the consecutive encroachment. If I was to trade this one, then I should be actually be in on this candle already. Let's ignore a little bit this CB, then I'll go short with my stop loss about this high. Target these lows like that. So what am I gonna do? I'm going to short Nasdaq 100. Actually, it's looking good to short right now. Nasdaq 100 or US 100 for 9:30. Then, what are these spreads for? Let me reload this. Then I will be shorting towards the sell side, resting below the 8:30 low. Yeah, let me look for the short opportunity right here. The stop loss should be above this high. Take profit below the 8:30 low, like that. Oh my goodness, it should be a pending order. Why isn't it working? Stop loss should be above this high. Take profit should be below the 8:30 low. Let me use a pending order below this candle. So this will be a sell stop on the Nasdaq 100. So I'm shorting in advance of 9:30. With a set stop above this high, targeting this low like that. How do I manipulate this one? So it's a set stop. Good. So I'm expecting a continuation sell setup to these lows right here formed at 8:30. So I'm already in the trade. Yeah, I should be in on this trade right here. Yeah, I mean, let's see what the 9:30 brings. So I'm monitoring how the 9:30 opens. I entered on 9:26 approximately. God damn. I don't think I'm going to survive this one. Because the price just flipped before 9:30 opened. Remains 1 minute before 9 comes along. Guess we will have to wait and see. But the price could top me out if this candle closes bullish. The only premise from which I could be saved is that the price closes bearish, but remains 9 seconds to find out. I'm most likely going to get stopped out. Damn. What happened? Oh my god. Let me try out the stops. Damn. You see what is happening right there? I assure you, I'm already stopped out on the live account. That's for a fact. I'm already stopped out. Let's check it out. On the equity edge, I'm already stopped out. I'm sure of it. The way they widen their stops. See? I already told you. How come? How come I got stopped out right here? No, this ain't fair at all. So that means we are down $47 on the first trade. Damn. This low is actually going to be tagged and we will go beyond it because of how much manipulation they've done to these highs without leaving any open short trades. I'm sure of it now. They made sure to not leave any stop untriggered before dumping it. That means the price is going to dump even beyond this low. That's kind of unfortunate, but whenever you signed that contract, you accepted the risk. You can hear how I'm citing the volatility at 9:30 is actually unmatched. I can't do anything else right here. I just accepted my fate. What else can you do? can see how much wrong I was on the Euro USD for expecting higher prices against the trend. Then the TP is already hit on the NASDAQ 100 in a couple of minutes. No, it's a break even. So I can't do anything about this one. I can't take any other trade currently according to this setup. So what I'm going to do is go back to the higher time frame. And see what would have happened. Can't try any tricks. Today's gold chart. Not now. Not yet. But I'm still wondering, how did my stop get triggered? This is actually unfair. Totally unfair. So, seems like I was wrong. I can't try any tricks anymore on this chart. Obviously I was wrong about the whole move in the US 100. You really can't go in front of this price action. It could rip your heart out of your chest. Absolutely. It's crazy. So as you can see, the price ended up going even beyond where the original consolidation or the original target was, as I anticipated, even though I got stopped out. I got stopped out for loss right here on his account because there was a demo or a paper trade account. I managed it to go break even right here, but on the prop challenge account I actually was stopped out by a tick right here due to spread. So I think I'm not going to babysit the charts waiting for another setup as DXY.